Hello Internet and YouTube. This is my Kawasaki Z900RS. I'm about to do a pre-exhaust install sound test. So I'm going to turn on the engine. So this is the sound of the RS with its standard exhaust pipe. Don't want to upset the neighbours too much. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, I'm going to undo the engine studs for the exhaust. That I need a 12mm socket. On the end of this 12mm socket, I've got a impact universal joint, and that goes onto my ratchet handle. I put that on there like that, and put it together. I've already pre-loosened these nuts with penetrating oil. All right. Okay, here goes. I'm going to loosen. See, it comes off nice and easy. Almost loose enough. And that is the domed 12mm nut. And I'm going to do this to all 8 of them, but I'm not going to film all 8. Okay, now I'm going to remove the O2 sensor. But first of all, I have to undo this clip. And there gives me some slack with the cable. Now, with my adjustable wrench, yeah, we just undo the O2 sensor. So this wire, as you see, will rotate. Come on, out you come. But it should be enough. Should rotate enough to get me the O2 sensor up. There you go. And when I put it back, I'll just rotate it the opposite way. Right, now I'm going to take off these beauty panels. They're just heat shield covers, make it look pretty. And this requires a Allen key, Allen wrench, whatever you want to call it. And I don't have this in ratchet, so I'm having to do it with one of these. Fairly simple, straightforward. Now I don't want to lose that. There we go. And this just clips off as far as I know. We'll get it off. Alright, I'm taking off the middle exhaust hanging bracket. I had to remove the move the footrest and brake pedal out of the way, and I'm just undoing it now. This has been the most difficult part so far, but it'll only take a minute. Okay, stop recording. Yeah.